The Yamuna is more than just a river, it's the heartbeat of North India. For centuries, it has nourished civilizations, inspired poets, and sustained life. But today, that heartbeat is faint. As it flows through our cities, the lifeline becomes a drain. We've grown disconnected from the very water that keeps us alive. For the first time in decades, the classroom is moving to the riverbank, allowing our youth to reconnect with a legacy we almost lost. Yamuna River Initiative is a multi-layered interdisciplinary intervention designed by the Modern Institute for Education to restore the bond between the community and the Yamuna through education, advocacy, and action.
We did not want to do knee-jerk activities. We did not want to send children just to pick up garbage along the Yamuna banks. What we wanted to do was educate them. We wanted to educate them about the environment, about the needs of the city, and how important it is that we have to conserve and protect and respect our waters.
नदियों को सिर्फ एक संसाधन के रूप में नहीं बल्कि एक जीवित संस्था के रूप में, व्यक्ति के रूप में, एक अपनी निजी सत्ता के रूप में बच्चे पहचानेंगे, तभी उससे दोस्ती करेंगे और वो उनकी देखभाल करेंगे.
Working in collaboration with the New Delhi Municipal Council, they are building a future rooted in awareness, empathy, and collective stewardship.
We have implemented Yamuna Yari projects in the 43 schools of NDMC. And with this project, we could reach to 28,000 students.
Reclaiming the Yamuna starts with education. Yari starts by bridging the gap between the classrooms and the riverbank, teaching students that the Yamuna is not just a resource, but a living entity that has shaped our history and biodiversity for centuries.
स्टूडेंट के लिए हर लेवल पर हमको उनके सिलेबस में ये चीज़ें लानी होंगी और उनको सेंसिटाइज करना होगा किसी भी चीज़ के गंदा होने के लिए कितने लोग दोषी होते हैं.
Whether it was a website which our students created, whether it was the the robotic project that the students worked on, or it was the app that they worked upon, every dimension of the Yamuna and its creative paradigm was taken up very creatively with our students.
The place to learn about the Yamuna.
Everything here, soil samples have been collected from the Yamuna basin.
Awareness turns into action as students analyze real-world challenges, from urban water scarcity to the toxins and waste disrupting our natural water cycle.
स्मेल तो सर वहाँ की बहुत ही खराब है और वाटर बिल्कुल ब्लैक. तो हम लोग ये सोच के शॉक हो गए कि ये हम कंज्यूम करते हैं, हम पीते हैं इसको.
I decided to get involved because I saw the plight of the Yamuna and I saw how bad the condition was.
By exploring sustainable management and river cleaning technologies, Yari is empowering a new generation to take personal responsibility for a healthy, flowing ecosystem.
What it does is propel forwards, remotely hand controlled. It rotates backward, and it has a conveyor belt attached to it that helps clean the surface of the river.
This project helps us to test water quality and avoid contamination at early stages.
What began as a pilot is now a movement. Across more than 50 schools, over 40,000 students have taken the Yari pledge, committing to be the voice for a river that cannot speak for itself. With 3 innovative water cleaning prototypes, 2 student-authored books, and 5 specialized river apps, the Yamuna story is being retold through a vibrant fusion of science and the arts. This impact extends beyond the classroom into the heart of the community, where numerous presentations of prose, dance and songs alongside deep parental engagement are transforming households into active hubs of conservation.
नील लहरों में इतिहास की धड़कन समाई है यमुना के तट पर संस्कृति मुस्काई है।
This isn't just data, it's a shift in culture. From powerful street plays that stir the community to scientific monitoring of the riverbanks, these students are proving that when you empower the youth, you secure the future of our water. The impact is no longer local, it is becoming institutional. Through a strategic collaboration with the CBSE, YARI is moving from a pilot phase to a staple of educational landscape across North India.
CBSE is already planning to launch this module in other Delhi schools also. And also CBSE would collaborate with Modern School to bring out a river project for different parts of the country.
The Yamuna has spent centuries giving life to us. Now it's our turn to give life back to her. Through the eyes of our students, we see a river reborn. The heartbeat of North India is growing stronger with the Yamuna River Initiative. The river is calling. The question is, will you answer? Join the movement.